Today we'll show you how to install a frame using Skyframe security hardware. Start by gathering your tools: the security hardware screws provided by Skyframe, a drill, a laser level or regular level, measuring tape, painter's tape, and a pencil. Laser levels work best for accuracy. Determine where you want the bottom of the frame to sit. Then, measure the full height of the frame from bottom to top. Place the wall brackets onto the mounting plates on the back of the frame. This helps you identify exactly where the brackets will end. Mark that location on both sides of the frame. Measure from the top of the frame down to the marks you made. Transfer that measurement to the wall and place painter's tape there. The top edge of the tape marks where the bottom of the wall brackets will sit. Find the center of the frame. Then, measure from the center to the left and right mounting plates. Transfer those measurements to the wall to mark exactly where the screws will go. Align each wall bracket with the tape mark and center line. Drill the holes, insert anchors, and install the screws on both sides. Lift the frame and clip the top mounting plates onto the wall brackets. Now we'll install the T-screw security lock. Place painter's tape under the bottom of the frame and mark the center. Remove the frame and measure from the bottom of the frame to the center of the T-screw bracket. Transfer that measurement upward from your wall mark. Drill the anchor and install the T-screw using the T-wrench. Lift the frame again and clip the top mounting plates back onto the wall brackets. Locate the T-screw, turn it until it passes through the bracket, and tighten it using the T-wrench to lock it in place. And that's it. Your frame is now securely installed with Skyframe security hardware.